Hello, my name is Nathaniel, and today I'll be discussing reference angles. According to its definition, a reference angle is the positive acute angle theta formed by the terminal side of theta and the x-axis. But what does this actually mean? So here I am going to explain what this means through the use of a few examples if time permits, and hopefully by the end of this video you'll have an accurate depiction of what reference angles truly are. Now here, what I've drawn is an example of the unit circle. On this particular unit circle, I've detailed the special angles of the x-axis that we should be concerned about. And those values are 180 degrees, 0 degrees, and 360 degrees. Now, the 0 degrees and the 360 degrees, they are essentially the same on the unit circle. So, for this example, we have 225 degrees, and our objective is to find the reference angle of this degree value. Now, what we can do to find this value is to subtract 180 degrees from 225 degrees. Well, maybe you're wondering, why should we do this? Well, here's a simple explanation. Now, for a reference angle, we're trying to find the value that corresponds to it that is also positive and less than 90 degrees. Now, if the value is positive, that value must go from standard position counterclockwise around the unit circle. But for it to be less than 90 degrees, it must fall within quadrant 1, which is indicated here. Now, once you subtract 180 degrees from 225 degrees, you're going to get the value of 45 degrees. And 45 degrees on the unit circle would fall right here in quadrant 1, just as we like it. Now, because it falls in quadrant 1, all of the values of the coordinates, both x and y, will be positive. But what this allows us to do is it allows us to manipulate the coordinates of that reference angle to meet whatever the actual value is. Because if you have noticed, or you've just taken the time to pay attention to the unit circle, is that you realize that the unit circle and all of its points consist of 3 main values and slight variations of it. And those values are square root 3 over 2, square root 2 over 2, and 1/2. Those are the main values that consist of all of the coordinates or special angles of the unit circle. And so for this value here, you're going to get square root 2 over 2, comma, square root 2 over 2. And this value would correspond exactly, with a slight variation depending on the sign, of 225 degrees. And just now you found the reference angle for this value. Please like and subscribe this video. Don't forget to comment. I hope you've learned something. If you have any questions, please be sure to post a comment and I'll be sure to get back to it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.